What's going on YouTube? It's Day the CEO, and today I'm going to be breaking down this Facebook trade that I ended up entering today. And yeah, let's get right into it. So basically for Facebook, the first play that I was looking at is playing the upside, obviously changing to MVRS. We're looking for upside, metaverse news, etc. There's obviously a lot of hype around this stock. So as you can see, what I'm doing is watching pre-market. Now, the first entry that I actually ended up taking is going to be the level of around the 326/327 area. Now in the 327.5 area is my first addition for the trade, and then as we ended up pushing higher to pre-market highs at around 328.75 level is where my second addition to the trade was. So as you can see, right off the open there was a lot of buyers pushing in, and we were just seeing quick upside. Now there was obviously room to the upside further at around the 340 levels. If we switch time frames, look at the 180-day, we see that we have sold off from the around 385s all the way down to around the 308, 310s, and then now as this news came out, we're pushing back to the upside. So we will see if we're able to push higher. Currently we are in this pennant formation, and if we end up breaking out tomorrow, we could see upside again, maybe even a break of today's high, and then a push to 335s, maybe possibly even the 340s. For this next key level we see is the 336 level, and then after that we're just gonna watch. So something important to learn and a lesson to take away from this is whenever there's a very strong news catalyst or just things around the stock, a lot of hype or certain things going around that are bullish, there could be a very specific direction that buyers or sellers choose to decide right at the open. So just because we're heading right into the week on a Monday, that's something to definitely pay attention to. There's, like I said, there's obviously either going to be a ton of buyers coming in or a ton of sellers, so you're really looking for that deciding factor throughout the first 5 minutes for continuation throughout the day. And as you can see, that Facebook ended up running for quite a bit. So that's really it for the breakdown on this Facebook trade, and now what we can do is get into this Amazon downside play. So for Amazon downside, this was one of my another biggest trades again that I've had in a while. So we see this quick sell-off right at open, pushing down, and then we start consolidating, moving to the right, and as you can see, this 326.75 level is where I started adding my trades. So right here is where I ended up opening contracts. We ended up pushing down, and now we're coming near this key level, which is around the 3290 level, where we see buyers start to step in. So really is the first entry was 3326.75, and then we ended up pushing further to the downside, and I ended up exiting around the 3298 level. Didn't catch that extra 8-point move, so nearly a 30-point move, or 27-point move to be exact, and that was the plays for today that I ended up taking. So Amazon and Facebook were both great trades, and that's just how I ended up starting November. So if you haven't already, make sure to drop a follow to my Instagram at DayTheCEO, and make sure to follow the trading page at Project 3 Trading. And if you want to join the Discord for all my signals, make sure to tap the Instagram link in my bio, and have a great day. Peace.